Heavy-duty 8 plastic oil funnel. Filter particles from cooking liquid. Attached reusable stainless steel mesh filter. Hand wash. King Kooker disposable paper filters for use with 8 cooking oil funnels. Disposable filters can be placed in the King Kooker oil funnel, model 100F, before pouring oil, to improve the removal of particles. Never reuse filters. Top reviews from the United States. Great funnel for worming, lolol. I bought this funnel to strain the worm leachate, that drains from my worm composter, into my 5-gallon storage containers. I was finding that the leachate would clog my hose end sprayer if I did not filter it. The screen is nice and fine and does a great job removing the tiny pieces of peat debris, and a few stray worms from the liquid. I love the fact the screen can be popped out of its seat in the funnel, for cleaning, or totally removed. It is chained to the funnel so you don't lose it, which is also nice. I love the large size of the funnel, as I can pour an entire gallon slowly, of the leachate through it at a time. And then I need to remove the crumbs from the screen. The long neck on the funnel also helps to keep the funnel in my storage containers when filtering the leachate. The fact that it has a wide opening about 10, also is very useful, as I have an overflow drip pan on the bottom of my worm composter, after the gallon jug gets full. And it is so much easier to dump this 14 by 14 drip pan into the funnel, without spilling it everywhere. The size and functionality of this funnel, stability and ease to clean, has made worming a much more enjoyable task. I would highly recommend this funnel. It is a huge improvement from my other little funnel and strainer.